Let's open Redmi 15 5G and let's see what we can find inside the box. So let's get right into it. Over here we have our box. And we're gonna start with this paper box over here. Here we have our device, but we're gonna check that out later. And let's open it. So over here at the back we can open this paper box. We have this eject tool. And inside we can find, for example, the USB cable. And we have a bunch of paper. So we have a quick start and so on and so forth. And of course, a plastic case, which we can use at least temporarily. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the device itself. And let me quickly unpack it. And here is our device. This is how it looks like. Let's take a look at the front. And of course, on the right side, we have the side button and two volume buttons. We have the SIM tray on the left side. At the bottom, we have the microphone and the charging port and a speaker. And then let's take a look at the top. Over here, we have the IR blaster. So that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, not much we get, although we actually get a plastic case, so that's a cool addition. The USB cable is pretty standard. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.